We have a bit of a mini ice age going in Canada by now at 247 miles per hour. That's higher than the F5 tornado. Probably a planned F6 will happen in Canada. Oh. And it looks like we have a frost advisory for the following county or area of Aroostook.
David, it's an emergency. The frost advisory came from Canada, the country who made global freezing, and it's affecting other states like North Dakota and New York.
Oh my God. Other states are getting affected too? Be prepared for the prediction of the Great North American Freeze Warning. Anyways, the wind speed got worse at 255 miles per hour. I don't know how it happened that fast, but I believe it was from the global freezing power plants from Canada produced more cold temperatures. Speaking of temperatures, the temp for Aroostook is 34 degrees Fahrenheit.
We're on the road with the General, talking to people about their auto insurance.
Okay, how many think you're paying too much for insurance? How many?
The National Weather Service has issued a freeze watch for the following counties: Aroostook County, Somerset County, Piscataquis County, Penobscot County, Washington County, Hancock County. If you are in these areas, be prepared. If you are in the middle of a vacation to Canada, go to your home and stay indoors. If you feel like going outside, you can go outdoors until we get a freeze warning. If you don't go outside with your winter jacket, then there is a possibility you might get a cold or frostbite. If you don't like winter, stay indoors until the all-clear message has been broadcasted. This is the emergency alert system.
In total protection, regardless of their health or job.
Welcome back to Storm Team 12. Current wind speed in Kennebec, 67 miles per hour. Current temp, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Uh-oh. A freeze warning finale arrived in Aroostook. Get ready and prepared for it. This station will be off the air in 10 seconds.